Hi guys, today we talk about how can you create posts on your Bigo Live app. We're going to figure out this solution or know how you can do that in your app. So all you have to do, you just go down, you click here on me down here. So when you click here on me, it's going to take us here in this list. Then all you have to do, just go above this sign here in app, click on it. So when you click in this sign, it's going to take us here in this list. Then you go down, click here on post. When you click on post, you just go down here, keep going down, you click here on post. Then it's going to take you here to this list to add your post here. So here can you add your post, and here if you want to add picture here or link or photo or audio here, or choose picture from camera, and here can you add your city and your community, and here hashtags. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.